Alright children, now this is your maths period. Yesterday we had done addition with 0 and adding 1 to any number. Now today we are going to do the same thing, but we are going to do subtraction. So page number 47. Open your books to page number 47. Subtracting with 0. After you open the page, fold your hands, sit straight and listen to what ma'am is going to tell you. When we
Ma'am, this
page number 47.
Okay, ma'am.
Now listen very carefully. When we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number. Like yesterday, we had done when we add 0 to any number, we get the same number. Subtraction also, when you subtract any number with 0, your answer will be the same number. So look at the picture, the first picture that's given on page number 47. In the first box, you have 6 fishes. Let's count. Are there 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 fishes in the first box. Then you have the minus sign, and the next box says 0 and no fish. So from 6, when you subtract 0, your answer will be 6. Right? 0 से जब हम किसी भी नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, आंसर हमारा सेम नंबर होता है. That same number is your answer. Now there's an exercise given there on that page. Let's look at it and understand. 10 minus 0. For example, you have 10 toffees. Mummy gives you 10 toffees. अगर मम्मी ने आपको 10 toffees दी और आपने वो 10 toffees किसी को भी नहीं दी है, you don't give it to anyone, that is 0. Nobody you're giving to. So you still have 10 toffees with you. Yes, your answer will be 10. 10 minus 0, your answer will be 10. Let's look at the next sum. It says 9 minus 0. Put your pencil there, all of you. 9 minus 0. अगर आपके पास 9 एप्पल्स है और आपने 0 लोगों को दिया है, किसी को नहीं दिया आपने, तो आपके पास कितने एप्पल्स बचेंगे? सिद्रा, unmute your mic and answer.
Ma'am, 9.
9. Very good, children. Write there 9. Write the answer 9. Let's come to the next sum. Parth Yadav, unmute yourself. And give me the answer to the next sum. 8 minus what will give you 8? जब हमारे पास 8 टॉफीज हैं और हमारा आंसर फिर से 8 आ गया, तो क्या हमने वो टॉफीज किसी के साथ शेयर करी है? No, we haven't shared. So we put over there 0, क्योंकि हमने किसी के साथ शेयर नहीं करी है. 8 टॉफीज थी, minus 0, again you get 8. So put over there 0, children. Alright, you can mute yourself, Parth. Aradhya, unmute yourself and give me the next answer. Dash minus 0 is equal to 6. 0 के पहले आराध्या पहले सुनो बेटे, लिसन टू व्हाट मैम इज सेइंग। आपका ब्लैंक स्पेस है, फिर -0 इज इक्वल टू 0। आपके पास 6 टॉफीज आंसर आया आपका, तो इसका मतलब आपने किसी को नहीं दिया है, तो आपके पास पहले भी कितनी टॉफीज थी? 6 टॉफीज। यस, जब आपके पास 6 टॉफीज थी और अभी भी 6 है, इसका मतलब यू डिड नॉट गिव टू एनीवन, -0, so we write there 6. So all of you write there 6. Okay, now you can mute yourself. Vani, unmute yourself. You are already unmuted, Vani. Vani, I can't see you, child. Your camera is off. Vani, give me the next answer. 3 minus 0. Vani, 3 minus 0. आपके पास 3 टॉफीज थी, किसी को नहीं देना है, 0. So your answer will be 0 again. Children, write 0 there. Okay, who has joined from Radha Gupta ID? Who has joined from Radha Gupta ID? This child here. Unmute yourself.
Vikhyat Gupta.
Okay, Vikhyat, now unmute yourself and give me the next answer. 1 minus what will give you 1?
0.
1 से हमने किसी को भी हमारा आंसर 1 माइनस व्हाट विल गिव अस 1, बीच में हमें क्या लगाना है? 0 in the center. Put over there 0, children.
0.
All right, so we finished with that exercise. So remember children, हम किसी भी नंबर के बाद में या उसके पहले अगर 0 लगा के उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर सेम होगा। अगर हमने 1 माइनस 0 करा तो हमारा आंसर विल बी 1, या हमने 8 माइनस 0 करा तो भी हमारा आंसर आएगा 8. So any number before 0 or after 0 will give you the same thing. Now come to the next exercise. It says subtracting same number from itself. When we are subtracting same numbers, दोनों sides हमारे पास same है. Now listen carefully. Look at me, all of you. Sit straight. मम्मी ने आपको 4 apples अगर दिए, if mommy gives you 4 apples and she says go and give these 4 apples to your sister. Mommy gives you 4 apples. मम्मी ने आपको 4 apples दिए और आपसे बोला ये 4 apples अपनी सिस्टर को दे दो जाकर। आपकी सिस्टर के पास आप जाते हो, 1 apple, 2 apple, 3 apple, 4 apples. You given the 4 apples. What have you got left with you? 0. So when you are subtracting same numbers, you get the answer as 0. Let's look at the example in the book. 4 apples you given to your sister and your answer is 4. Can you see the picture, children? The picture, you have 4 apples. You give them to your sister and you don't have anything left. 0. Okay, now let's come to the first. Come over there. Now subtract. 2 minus 2. Show me 2 fingers. All of you show me 2 fingers. Only 2 fingers. Now these 2 fingers, you have to subtract 2. इसमें से आपको 2 को क्लोज करनी है. Come on. 1, 2. What is left? 0. Write there 0, all of you. Sayash, do your work. Write there 0. Where's your pencil, Sayash?
0.
Right over there, 0.
0.
Okay, now we come to the next sum. 3 minus 3. Count 3 fingers. 1. Show me, children. 1, 2, 3. And we have to minus 3. So we start counting and closing. 1, 2, 3. What is left again?
0.
0. All of you write the 0. Very good.
3.
3 minus 3 gives us 0.
0.
Now come to the next sum. 7 minus 7. Let's count 7 fingers, children. Show me. 1. When you're counting, you put your pencils down. Sayash, count, child. All of you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we have to subtract 7 again. So we start closing and counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 minus 7, we get again a 0. Let's write the 0. Okay, next sum, 5 minus 5. Count 5 fingers. Show me all of you 5 fingers. Quickly now. Let's do it fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we close these 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your answer is again a 0. So children, whenever we subtract same numbers, जब दोनों sides same numbers होते हैं, then we get 0. 0 is the answer. Now the next two sums, 9 minus 9, you do yourself. Count on your fingers. Let me see you. I want to see you counting. Show me your fingers and count.
Thank you.
So we got 9 fingers and we have to close 9 again. Come on, let me see you doing it. Start closing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we get again a 0.
0.
Very good. Right over there, 0. And children, don't switch on your mics, please. Otherwise, you won't be able to hear me clearly. Next, 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, we get a 0. So write there 0. I hope you have put today's date on that page. I hope you have put the date on the page, children. Don't forget, very important. Now turn the page. Turn the page. All right. Now, page number 48, we don't have to do anything. We are not doing that. Just put a cross on that page. Then come to page number 49. That is your homework. There's a worksheet given there. That's your homework. You will do it for homework. Put over there HW. Put over there HW, children, like this. HW, homework. There's a puzzle over there which you will color nicely, and then you will understand how it comes out. It's a beautiful carpet. Turn the page. Come to page number 49. Now here we have a revision test paper that's given. We have already done all the work that is based on this test paper is based on all those exercises that we have already done. So put today's date on that page. Put today's date on that page, children. Okay. Now the first exercise, multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions means one question and there are 3 or 4 options given to you. One answer is correct. मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस का मतलब होता है एक क्वेश्चन के लिए वहां पर आपको 2 या 3 या 4 ऑप्शंस दिए हैं और उसमें से एक आंसर करेक्ट है, उसको आपको या सर्कल करना है या टिक लगाना है. So listen very carefully. Follow in your books. Page number 5050. The first question. How many? You have little chicks made over there. And then you have the options given 3, 5, 6 and 8. 4 options are given. Now you will count the chicks. Count the number of chicks, all of you. Abban, unmute yourself and give me the correct answer after counting the chicks.
Ma'am, 5.
Who is this answering? I have not asked you. Please don't answer out of turn. Abban, unmute your mic. Abban, can you hear me? Okay, I think you cannot hear me. So, let's count the chicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, you can circle 5 over there. And children, remember, don't answer out of turn. Bad manners. Come to the next. Number 2. The greatest number among the following is. You have 4 options. The greatest number means the biggest number. Now look at the numbers, children, and you will tell me which is the biggest number. 1, 9, 8, 6. The biggest number over there is 9. You will just show me the actions or you can show me with your fingers. So, put a circle on 9. Next, 5 plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3, show me this. Count on your fingers, all of you. One count. Show me 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 6, 7, 8. So your answer is 8. The circle on 8, children. Then the next one, 8 eggs in a crate, 5 got broken. 8 eggs in a crate, 5 got broken. How many are left? That means you have to subtract 5 from 8. So count 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you have to subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And our answer is 3. Very good. Come on, circle 3, all of you. That's right. And the last one, when we subtract dash from a number, we get the number just before it. You have 0, 1, 4, 10. I told you when we subtract a 0 from any number, the answer is just before. So, when we subtract 0 from a number, have you put there 0? Have you circled that? Okay, give me a thumbs up.
1. वन मन
मैम 1 माइनस होगा।
इंग्लिश में वन सब्ट्रैक्ट।
Oh, yes,
मैम
yes.
1
Yes, children. Just a second. Sorry. Just a second. We subtract 1. We subtract 1. Then we get just the number before that. Put over there 1, children. We subtract 1. We subtract 1. Okay. Now, the next exercise says compo maths. That we will not do. So put a cross over there, children. And the next exercise, put over there HW. You will do that for your homework. Children.
मैम इन द कॉपी।
No, in the book itself, children. In the book.
मैम पेज नंबर।
Page number 50. Put over there HW. You'll do that in your book.
मैम पेज नंबर।
Page number 5050. And page number 51 also put over there HW, children. Put HW. Page 51 also is your homework. So with that, we come to the end of maths class. Thank you.